Recently, a new paper currency Toman was brought by 1. Israel, B. Iran, 3rd Saudi Arabia, 4. Oman. So in 2020, the Iranian parliament approved a new paper currency Toman to replace its existing paper currency Iranian Rial at the rate of 1 to 1 equal to 10,000 Rial. So हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा यहाँ पे ईरान. Next, consider the following statements. 1. NPCI helps in promoting financial inclusion in the country. NPCI has launched RuPay, a card payment scheme. Which of the statements given above are correct? National Payments Corporation of India, NPCI, an umbrella organization for operating retail payments and settlement systems in India, is an initiative of Reserve Bank of India, RBI, and Indian Banks Association, IBA, under the provisions of the Payment and Settlement Systems Act 2007 for creating a robust payment and settlement infrastructure in India. Considering the utility nature of the objects of NPCI, it has been incorporated as a not-for-profit company under the provisions of Section 25 of Companies Act 1956, now Section 8 of Companies Act 2013, with an intention to provide infrastructure to the entire banking system in India for physical as well as electronic payment and settlement systems. The company is focused on bringing innovations in the retail payment systems through the use of technology for achieving greater efficiency in operations and widening the reach of payment systems. Next, currency note in India is a interest-paying promising note, zero interest promissory note, zero interest commercial paper, none. So हमारा आंसर यहाँ पे बी जो है वो करेक्ट है. द करेंसी इन आवर पॉकेट्स डज नॉट पे एनी इंटरेस्ट. इफ इट इज ₹10 टुडे, इट विल रिमेन ₹10 even after a year. It is a promissory note as RBI guarantees it. Next, which of the following is the function of the money? Measure if value, store of value, basis of credit system, all of the above. हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा all the above are functions of money. Measure of value, just as weight is measured in kgs, the value of a commodity is measured in rupees. It is the basis of credit system as banks and the other financial institution work on basis of it. Besides, transfer of value is also a function of money, as you can transfer money through internet banking. Consider the following statements. 1. Development, Monitoring and Evaluation Office DMEO was constituted by merging the erstwhile Program Evaluation Office PEO and the Independent Evaluation Office IEO as an attached body under Niti Aayog. Second, the acronym NITI stands for National Initiative for Transforming India. Which of the statements given above are correct? So answer है, the acronym NITI stands for National Institution for Transforming India. It was created in 1st January 2015. The government aims at transforming the development agenda of India with the help of the Niti Aayog and has given a slogan, from planning to Niti. Next, which of the following links all the ATMs in India? National Banks Association, National Securities Depository Limited, National Payments Corporation India, Reserve Bank of India. So यहाँ पे हो जाएगा National Financial Switch NFS ATM network having 37 members and connecting about 50,000 ATMs was taken over by NPCI from Institute for Development and Research in Banking Technology IDRBT on December 14, 2009. Over the span of few years, the NFS ATM network has grown many folds and is now the leading multilateral network ATM in the country. As on 31st August 17, there were 941 members. That includes 101 direct, 776 sub-members, 56 RRBs and 8 WLAOs using NFS network connected to more than 2.3 lakh ATM.